Hello, I am Rahul Lohana and we will be going over a word problem on revenue. The Cineplex movie theater is selling tickets to The Amazing Spider-Man 2. They charge $18 for every person and an average of 50 sales a week. But they realized for every dollar they drop it, they sell 2 more tickets. Now the questions are asking how much should they charge for the maximum revenue, how many people will attend a week, and what the maximum revenue is. Now, the best way to approach this is to look at the revenue they make currently and then apply the formula to see what the max revenue can be. What I've done is I've put the equation into factored form and I've let x represent the change in price. Now, what I've done is I've expanded it to find out what the standard form of the equation will be, because the standard form of the equation is needed to calculate the max revenue. Therefore, when the movie tickets for The Amazing Spider-Man are at $21.50, 43 people will buy the tickets, and it averages the revenue of $924.50 a week. Now, to convert it into standard form, I basically expanded it by multiplying the first term with the third and last term, then the second term with the third and last term. Once I finished that, I collected the like terms to find out my final standard form. The reason I need to find the standard form is because the formula negative b over 2a will give us the maximum revenue we need. The formula for max revenue is negative b over 2a. The standard form is negative 2x squared minus 14x plus 900. Negative 2 is the a value, and negative 14 is the b value, and 900 is the c value. So if we input that back into the formula, it would be 14 divided by negative 4, which is negative 3.5. Now to solve for the maximum revenue, we put negative 3.5 back into the equation, and we see the maximum revenue is $924.50. Now, as you can see, the total value is $924.50. To get there, we needed the a value and b value of standard form. Therefore, factored form would not have been very useful here, because factored form does not give us the x value needed to solve for maximum revenue. The first part of the question asks, what should they charge to receive the maximum revenue? Now, to solve this, we go back to the factored form, which is 18 minus x times 50 plus 2x. For the first part, that was the price, 18 minus x. We replace x with negative 3.5 to solve for how much they charge. Now to solve part b, how many people will attend a week. We take the second part of the factored form, 50 plus 2x, which is $21.50. Substitute x as negative 3.5 to find out how many people attend. As you can see, 43 people attend with the given values. Now the final question asks, what is the maximum revenue? To solve that, we take the price and the people attending and multiply them by each other to find out what the maximum revenue is. The price is 21.5 and the people attending are 43 people. And the maximum revenue we now know is $924.50 a week. Therefore, when the movie tickets for The Amazing Spider-Man are at $21.50, 43 people will buy the tickets, and it averages the revenue of $924.50 a week.